dogs racing to get away from what's in front of me. I don't get it, do you? That would be awful if one fell off. Today is April 22nd, 2019. It is 89 degrees in here. It's about 80 degrees outside. I just opened up the windows about 2 minutes ago, so it'll cool down in here somewhat. And I have access to power, so I'm going to try to get what I can done today. I have to dog sit this afternoon, so but I have my panels right here cut to put on this wall. And I have to put the fiberglass back there and then put the panels over it. And that section will be done. So that will be amazing. And I was having complications yesterday. Move the shelving unit. With trying to figure out how I was going to put these shelves in this area. Because the RV's not level, I can't put the strips on the wall like I wanted to. Then it dawned on me last night to put feet under, just put legs, not feet, put legs under the shelves, just support legs, and screw them in. And that way it doesn't have to be level as long as they're measured correctly. So that'll work. Okay, I'm going to go home, get changed, come back, and get started. Look how beautiful that gold is. I hope it restores to a nice condition on the outside. So, okay, so here is my insulation. Pink Panther stuff. And it is R13, which is pretty good. R16 is better, but R13 still good. And to do my insulation, I have a really cheap 99-cent store raincoat, because it's pretty warm today, and rubber gloves, safety glasses, and a face mask. So I will be protecting myself. Because I do have the proper tools to put holes in these boards, because those I just drilled through. However, my life is so chaotic right now, I can't get to them. So, and here, right here, I need to drill another hole for this. What we're planning on doing is extending another wall plate here, another electrical socket. So we're going to put a hole in that board, the backer board, for that purpose. That way, of course, you can see my cable plate there, and right up above there will be the electrical socket for my TV, DVD player, and all that stuff. Because I don't really want to run it from the wall, letting the cords dangle down the wall and stuff. I'd rather them behind the TV. Okay, I'm going to get prepped and get started. My vent hood's not looking too bad. I decided to stop working on it. I wasn't going to achieve the perfection that I wanted to on it. And this is good enough. I'm going to let it sit and cure a while longer, though. Another thing I did for in the meantime, I often want to wash my hands. So I bought this little container. It's like 13 bucks at Walmart. It's actually a cold drink container, but I'm using it to wash my hands with. So I'm just using this thing, flipping it up, water comes out, I can wash my hands, dry off with a towel, and get back to work. It's not for drinking. I bring down my own beverages for that. This is an older container because I got to wash the one I was using. I left it locked up in here. So that's an older container, but it's still highly usable. And so this one has Diet Coke, and this one has my Berkey water in it. Okay, so I got my board up. The fiberglass is underneath, and I have my cord stabilized with the little cable clamps. So I will wait for my electrician to finish this part. Let's hope there's enough wiggle room there. I'm not sure if there is now that I look at it. Oh yeah, that's going to be the junction box, so that'll work. Okay, that's all I'm doing for the day. I'm pretty beat, and it's getting late. Catch y'all later. Thanks for watching, and live the life you love. Think pink.